Stop. Just stop. Stop saying you bought that game. Stop telling your friends you own those digital movies. Because, let's be brutally honest, you didn't, and you don't. Not really. Not anymore. Think about it. You click, you download, you pay. You feel that satisfying little dopamine hit of acquisition. But what if I told you that feeling is an illusion? A carefully constructed lie designed to make you believe you possess something that at any moment can simply vanish. Poof. Gone, like a bad digital dream. You see the headlines, right? Sony, Ubisoft, deleting content, revoking access, entire digital libraries just evaporating. You thought you were building a collection, didn't you? A digital legacy. Nah, my friend. You were just renting a very expensive, very temporary slot in someone else's server farm. Welcome to the glorious future of digital feudalism. And trust me, it's not as fun as it sounds. If you're feeling this in your bones already, hit that subscribe button. It's free. For now. Let's unravel this little mystery, shall we? This subtle, insidious shift that's been happening right under our noses. It starts, as most corporate conspiracies do, with the fine print, that endless scroll of legalese you blindly click accept on every single time. The terms of service. Sounds comforting, doesn't it? Like a gentle agreement between friends. Oh, how naive we were. Because buried deep within those paragraphs, often in font so tiny it requires a magnifying glass and a law degree to decipher, is the cold, hard truth. You are not buying software. You are not buying digital media. What you are actually acquiring, my unsuspecting digital serf, is a revocable, non-transferable, limited license. A license. Think about that for a second. You're not buying the car, you're just getting permission to drive it until the owner decides to take the keys back. And they can decide to take those keys back at any time, for any reason, or more accurately, for no reason at all. Remember PlayStation Discovery? Oh, what a delightful little case study in corporate overreach that was. People had bought movies, paid good money for them, built up their digital film collections. Then one day, Sony just pulled the plug, said, nah, we're not supporting those anymore. And just like that, entire movie libraries, films people had paid for, films they thought they owned, simply vanished. Poof, gone. From their accounts, from their devices. You didn't get a refund, you didn't get an apology. You got a shrug and a read the fine print. Because you see, you never actually owned those movies. You just had a temporary permission slip to watch them. And that permission slip? It expired. Or more accurately, it was revoked. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? That your entire digital world, built with your hard-earned cash, exists solely at the whim of a corporation. It's like buying a house, only for the landlord to decide 5 years later that they don't like the color of your curtains and evict you without notice. Except, you know, digitally. But wait, it gets even better. Because this digital trickery isn't just confined to the cloud. Oh no, the corporations, in their infinite wisdom and insatiable greed, are bringing this delightful little concept into the physical world. Your world. Your car, your home. Let's talk about BMW for a second. Lovely cars, right? German engineering, luxury, the works. So you buy a BMW. You spend tens of thousands of dollars on it. It's yours. You own it. Or do you? Because apparently, in the future, if you want your heated seats to actually heat, you might need to pay a monthly subscription. Yes, you heard that right. You bought the car. The physical components are in the car. But the functionality? That's an optional extra, a recurring revenue stream. You bought the car, but you rent the warmth. It's like buying a toaster and then having to pay a monthly fee to use the toast setting. Utterly, gloriously absurd. And yet, it's happening. And it's not just luxury cars. Printers, for example. HP, they've been caught blocking third-party ink cartridges, effectively bricking your printer if you don't use their ridiculously overpriced ink. A physical object you purchased rendered useless because you dared to step outside their ecosystem. This is what we call brick mode. Your property turned into a useless hunk of plastic and metal because you didn't play by their rules. It's a subtle form of control, isn't it? A soft power play. They sell you the device, but they maintain ultimate control over its functionality. We're not just renting software anymore. We're renting the features of the hardware we supposedly own. It's a slow, creeping erosion of property rights disguised as convenience or innovation. So why are they doing this? Why this relentless push towards subscriptions, towards this digital serfdom? The answer, as always, is painfully simple. Money. Endless recurring revenue. A one-time sale is a single transaction. A subscription, on the other hand, is a golden goose that lays an egg every month indefinitely. It's predictable, it's scalable, it's glorious for their bottom line. For us, it's a death by 1,000 cuts, a constant drain on our finances, trapping us in a cycle of never-ending payments for things we once bought outright. Remember that little phrase that floated around a few years ago? You will own nothing and be happy. Sounded dystopian then, didn't it? A bit of a conspiracy theory. Now it just sounds like a corporate quarterly earnings call. It's not about happiness, it's about control. It's about ensuring you're perpetually indebted, perpetually reliant on their services. It's a trap, meticulously designed, flawlessly executed. So, what's the antidote to this digital feudalism? How do we break free from the subscription trap, from the ever-present threat of our digital possessions simply vanishing? It's simple, really, almost ridiculously so. We go retro. We embrace the physical, DVDs, Blu-rays, actual physical game cartridges, hard drives, local storage, things that once you buy them are yours. They can't be deleted by a server farm in California. They can't be revoked by a corporate decision. They exist tangibly in your hands, on your shelf. It's an act of rebellion, really. Quiet, defiant stand against the forces that seek to turn us all into perpetual renters. It's about reclaiming ownership, reclaiming agency. Because in a world where everything is trying to become a service, where every object comes with a hidden subscription fee, true ownership becomes the ultimate luxury. So, before you click that buy button on the next digital download, ask yourself, am I truly buying this? Or am I just renting it until they decide to pull the plug? The choice is yours. The power is yours. Reclaim it. And hey, before YouTube charges you to watch this, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button. It's a small act of defiance, but it's a start. Stay cynical, stay curious, and remember, your property is worth fighting for.